Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make printing with the help of 3D printer. So friend, to print from card you have to first install G-code in this memory card, and after that you have to go to the setting, go to print from media. Inside this you can see all the G-code file are given, which you have already copied from your laptop or computer. So if you give print, the print will start accordingly. So this is the option to make print directly from the printer with the help of memory card. So I'm returning back to information screen. So you could able to print from computer also. So to print from computer you have to first open Reality Slicer, this one, and you have to connect your laptop with your 3D printer. You can see it here, I have connected it, and after opening you can see it here friend. So now you have to open, and I'm going to G-code, you can see. So now you have to give the option print by USB. So friend, you can see the preheating temperature is increased gradually, and after this the extruder temperature will again go high. So let's see how the print start directly from laptop or computer. So in any 3D printer there is two options, as I have already stated earlier. One is from memory card. You have to collect all the G code and put into the memory card, and you have to plug the memory card. By this way you can print it, or directly from laptop. So friend, you can see printing is started. The extruder temperature is 200 degree and the build plate temperature is 60 degree, and the printing is started. So by this way you can directly print from your laptop or computer. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.